Hey guys, I'm Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to register for Nationwide Building Society online banking. First, head over to the Nationwide website. Click on the login button. Here you have to click on register now. It will ask you I want to register with my. It will show you some options. You have to select your desired option. For example, I will set the current account and I'll click on continue. And then in the new page, it will show you a form which you have to fill with your current account number, your sort code, first name, last name, date of birth, your address, whether you live in UK or overseas, and then there will be some terms and conditions that you have to accept. After filling out the form and accepting the terms and conditions, click on continue. And after that, it will take approximately 48 hours. Then you will receive some codes on your email or on your phone. If you do not receive any codes, then they will be sent via mail to your address, which will take around 5 business days to arrive. And that's how you can register for Nationwide Building Society online banking. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.